Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of history. Today we are going to read about the copywork and the bookwork of your lesson number 3, the Indus Valley Civilization. First question. Write about Mohenjo-daro and the city plan of Mohenjo-daro with figure. So now let's start with the answer. Mohenjo-daro, it was one of the biggest cities of Indus Valley civilization with a population of about 30,000 people. It was a well-planned city with wide roads and good drainage system covered with the stone and cleaned at regular intervals. Wells and canals provided water for drinking and irrigation. City plan of Mohenjo-daro. City plan of Mohenjo-daro was houses were also built of burnt bricks and mortar and were well planned with open courtyard at the center of opening out into by-lanes. Double-storied buildings were used as granaries and conference halls. Now you have to draw a drainage system of page number 22. Question number 2. Write about the Great Bath with figure, its area and purpose of Great Bath. Answer. The Great Bath. First, this monument was excavated on the site of Mohenjo-daro. It is measured 11.88 m into 7.01 meter and its depth was 2.43 meter. It was a public bathing place used on important religious occasions. It had a swimming pool, galleries with small dressing rooms separately for men and women. A wide drain was there to remove the used water. A well nearby fed the water in the pool. 2 flights of steps on either side of the pool led to the bottom. It was built by burnt bricks and mortar to prevent seepage. Purpose of the Great Bath. It was a public bathing place. Now you have to draw a Great Bath, page number 22. Question number 3. Causes of downfall of Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization lasted for 1000 years, but by the end of 1500 BC, it faced decline and destructions. Several layers of these civilizations have been discovered. These causes may have been: first, natural calamities like floods, famines, epidemics that may have destroyed the civilization, defeat of Dravidians, the native of Indus Valley civilization, by the ferocious Aryans led to their ruin and the decline. Defeat of Dravidians and the native Indus Valley civilization by the ferocious Aryans led to their ruin and decline. Now, let's move to the book part of this chapter. The Indus Valley civilization flourished from 3300 BC to 1800 BCE. Second is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are the two main cities of Indus Valley civilization. Third is Citadel was built on the raised platform of mud and bricks. Fourth, agriculture was the primary occupation of Harappans. Fifth one is the Indus people traded with Mesopotamia, Persia and Afghanistan. Match the following: Egyptian civilization, Nile River; Mesopotamian civilization, Tigris and Euphrates River; Harappan civilization, Indus Valleys, Indus River; and Chinese civilization, Huanghe River. True false. The great cut the granary, right the bath at Mohenjo-daro was the place for ritual buildings. False. The dock of the Lothal was used for trading. True. The common people lived in Citadel, lower city. False. And the figure of dancing girl was made of bronze, not of the copper. It's a false. The flooding possibly caused the disappearance of the Indus Valley civilization. It is true. Now, write the question number 2 in your book. First one is the Manda, Jammu; Kalibangan, Rajasthan; Ropar, Punjab; Shortugal, Afghanistan; Alamgirpur, Uttar Pradesh. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.